Wait, open it up. Listen to this game.
In the local areas of Livingston County, there will be a massive tornado. There's already a cell forming, and it might touch down in about 2 hours, so you have until then to get ready, go underground, stay clear of windows, keep listening to a portable radio or something like that, and stay calm. The tornado will be sweeping by in about 2 hours, in Livingston County.
Whoa, a tornado? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna hear what the... What?
Oh, he's turning on again. Wait, ready?
I'm gonna hear what the dispatcher has to say.
There's also a prominent food that makes it
He doesn't know what to say. Like, what?
Attention, this is Jim Squirts for the Warren County weather station, and we have just issued 2 supercells touching down about 5 miles from Graham area. Repeat, this is a Warren news station, Jim Squirts, issuing a severe tornado. So, gather your food supplies, go somewhere low, away from windows. I recommend a basement or a gutter of some sort. Please stay clear of all windows. This is Jim Squirts of Weary Weather, and we want you to stay clear of windows and stairs and basements. We will tell you when it is closed. It is about 5 miles from Graham area, as I said before, and just please seek shelter immediately. It's coming about 200 miles per hour, and it's 2 hours away from the JC area, so get in great. Hold on. I need my script. Sorry about that. Get in, get shelter, and hide from the tornado. Low, I recommend, because tornado cannot reach you there. If you are outside, please seek a gutter and stay in there until it is passed by. If you have a portable radio, please adjust that and tune in and listen until it is clear and gone. And I'm Jim Squirts with Weary Weather, and that's all I have to say for now. I will be checking in to give you the latest updates, and have a good day. I don't know why we have a good day right now. Bye.
Did you hear what that guy on the scanner said? Okay, for first, okay, there's gonna be a tornado, he said. That's ridiculous. There's never been a tornado here. That's absurd. I don't think there's a tornado.
Yeah.
See, it's not even windy. It's not even windy out.
Yeah, look at that dark sky. There's no thunder or hail.
Yeah, whoa. It's clear. It's like the best
He's
night I ever
lying.
saw.
God, the best day.
What do you have to say about that guy that supposedly said that there was
He might be talking about a whole different... He's probably talking about the whole
Said
different
art,
side of the world.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, he's probably talking about a whole different area. I don't know what he's talking about anyway. Okay, let's hear if that guy has to say anything, because he said he would be checking in to give us the starting updates. Come on, turn on! Turn on! Why can't I get this walkie-talkie to turn on? I mean, I know I have a walkie-talkie, but this doesn't have anything to do with the updates. I mean with the scanner or anything. Turn on or anything. Turn on!
Okay.
I can't get it to turn on. Shh, wait. I thought the guy was talking on there, really. No. Arrgh, stupid walkie-talkie.
I'll turn it on for you. Maybe it's completely dead.
Oh, you have to push it hard and quick.
No.
Quicker.
Hold it.
And harder. Okay.
Hold it. You wouldn't be. No, you can't just hold it. It wouldn't work that way.
That sucks.
No, it does.
Okay, this is a complete waste of time. I'm just going to trim off the beginning.
Give me that thing.
You're not going to make it any better. That's not the right button. Stop.
No, I'm just pushing every. Oh, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Watch. This is a fraud. I'm going to talk through here. Hey. Oh. He has to plug in the speaker to be able to run across there. What an idiot.
And now I got it.
You need serious help. Get out of here. Okay. Here comes the update. Yeah, I bet.
I meant it's
The real one.
Now this one's off.
Oh, do it.
This is Jim Square to the tornado update. It is about 1 mile from the Augusta area where a kid named Weston
Shut up, dude, guys. Oh, go bring this.
and the kid is coming to break the speaker. You lost his house. You found it.
Okay, tornado fraud.
tornado fraud.
Put that somewhere and do better. Okay, that was a big fraud of a tornado. It's not even happening. And bye-bye. Don't even be friends.